Alright, some of you folks asked about checking for BIE energy, and I want to do loyalty. So when you get it from the Pop Now store, for people that don't know, it comes fully sealed, but they do label it with which one it is from the Pop Now. Great part is you can rip this off and you could surprise someone and be like, oh, which one do you want to guess for? They say loyalty, and then they open it and surprise is the one they actually asked for. Now let's check the authenticity on this.
Research complete.
Okay, so here's that same one. Here's that same one. You can see some of the codes on here. So like I was saying on the Pop Now, they send it to you like this. And then cool part is you can just take this off. And then I go, like I was saying, oh, which one do you want? Oh, you want loyalty? It's completely sealed. So, but just to show you guys how to check. So let's first start off with the one I showed you all earlier. You can just scratch this off. Okay. Here's the code. So you use the iPhone camera, tap that button right there to scan, opens in the Chrome. You see there's not really a redirect, it goes straight to this one. There's a little red button right there that says check for authenticity. Tap that. And now from the box, there's that code. Just match the 4 numbers and hit verify. See, and it matched 5229. If you notice when I scanned it, it said first time verification, because that lets you know this is the first time this code has been scanned. So that's why they don't really advertise a website to go to, because they each have an individual sort of QR code and tag to let you know, hey, this is the first time it's been scanned. Or if it's been scanned a million times and it's brand new, then it's sort of like, that is a red flag. But anyway, open up, brand new sealed. Okay, no. Loyalty card. All right, and then we open this up. Oh, I got a nice colorway. I like this one. This one came out pretty good. Ah, really nice colorway. Anyway, now if we look at the tags, here is another QR code tag right here. And then if you look right here, so at this point, I thought the codes matched the box, but they don't. I wish Pop Mart did do that, but I still have the QR code. So let's go ahead and scan it. You also look at the feet if you want to see some more of the authenticity. All right, so go here. The tag on this Labubu is a little bit different. Once you scan it, the serial automatically populates. Click on the red button once again. And the code is already there, and you hit verify. And of course, first time verification, that's also very important. Like I said earlier, it's a brand new one, it should be the first time verified. Should never have multiple verifications or anything like that. Also no redirect to some other site. That's a little bit fishy if it does redirect. So the tags don't match with the box itself. I thought they did, but it doesn't. But what does matter is when you scan the code, it says it's only been checked once. There was not a bad redirect. It's for the box and the Labubu. So just be careful out there. They didn't reseal the box. Scan the code, make sure it's just been once, no redirect site. And that should help you. They should really have the tags match the box though, because that would help out a lot. But at least when you scan and you look at the authenticity site, that will help you out. Hope this helps you out. That's it. Have a good one.